Look at this cutie. All along, guys, I thought none of my banana peppers made it. And I have been introducing these two as sweet peppers or bell peppers. And all along, they are banana peppers. I really thought none of them made it. This one just curl up. This one looking so good. Peppers, peppers, peppers. Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica, with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it and thank you so much in advance. But not every morning that I come out, I start working right away. I generally walk around, see what's new, what's happening. Look, just taking my plants a little. Sometimes I will talk to them. Yeah, man. And my children think I am crazy talking to my plants. But yeah, look, guys. There was a time I would never do this. But because of gardening, yes, because of gardening, I can do that. So welcome back to my small space garden, my Jamaican backyard garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man. And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam. Look at the dragon fruits. They are pushing off new shoots. They are doing so well. So yes, I generally just walk around in the mornings, take a look around. New leaves from the avocado. Nice. Look at my pumpkins coming up back nicely. I need to spray them again with the garlic water. I need to stay on top of that. Look at this beautiful marigold. There's another one right here. So pretty. So, I've made some changes. The tomatoes initially were here, as you know, and I moved them over. The cherry tomatoes, that is. I moved them over to here, out the way, seeing that, it's a challenge walking by. And I didn't want them to break again. So look at this, guys. The tomato branch that I stuck inside here weeks ago. Look at that. The mulberry I also put right here. And I put the mint that was right here over there. I'm going to put something else right here. Not sure what is it. I don't know if this is going to make it or not. But like I said, I'm just going to let it stay there. See what becomes of it. I'm not in need of this space right now. And so it can just stay there for now. Guys, look at this, what I'm seeing in my garden. No, I didn't put it there. It came there. So, if you know, you know. I can use it like my grandmother did. She put it in rum and she used it as an ointment for pain, like joint pains and so forth. Yes, or headache. So that's exactly what I'm going to do with it. I didn't put it there. It came there, so I am making use of it. Look at my sorrels. Sorrels coming up. I think I'm going to use these for tea. So the coconut is over here. Hold on. I think I see a new shoot. I think so. Is this a new shoot? Yes, man. Something new coming up right here. Yeah. I've never grown coconut tree before. So I don't even know if it was there before, but it looks like it wasn't there before to me. So in here I have one oxart plant inside this container, and I now realize that this is a hillbilly. Remember, I couldn't tell because they are not labeled. When I planted these, if you remember, I told you I was going through some stuff that I didn't care about labeling the garden at that time. So now I'm realizing that this is hillbilly tomato, and I have an oxart right here. The same thing that happens with the one that I harvest before, the same thing happened to this one. So I saw it initially before it started to ripen. So I think for the rest of them, as soon as I see that they are changing a little color, I am just going to harvest them and put them down, let them ripe. The cherry tomatoes, oh, this is what I wanted to show you. This is another tomato plant with the cherry tomatoes, and these look like beefsteak. I am hoping that they are beefsteak. I had a few seeds and I tried them, so I'm hoping that these are beefsteak. These look a little different and bigger, so I am thinking maybe they are not cherry tomatoes. Look at my tiny Tim tomatoes. We're going to harvest them in a little. I need to heal this tomato plant a little. Now that it is fruiting, this was a volunteer. I now realize that this is yellow pear tomato. Well, I'm not even sure if it's yellow or red because I had both in the past. I would prefer the yellow, to be honest. So I'm just going to heal it a little and put a stick there to support it. So look at this little mulberry right here. Oh, I'm not even going to wait until I harvest. Let me just wash it off. They have now become one of my favorite snacks in the garden. Gardening is so therapeutic. I mean, it has been so instrumental in my life, you know. You know, life happens, you have your ups, you have your downs. And whether my uptime or my downtime, apart from family, you know, gardening keeps my blood pumping, like literally. As soon as I find some time on my hands, I'm heading into my garden. Whether to just sit and look, pray, or just talk to my plants, like I said. And you know, we always want to look around, see what is progressing and what's not progressing. You hear the birds around you singing. Sometimes I just want to relax in my garden and just, you know, enjoy the space. It's not just rewarding, guys, it's very fulfilling. Something that everyone should be doing. It does help mentally, and of course, it does help huge financially. And the joy that you get of just eating what you grow and growing what you eat, it is second to none. So if you have not yet started, then go for it. If you are just taking baby steps, then that's actually good. But take another step, man. Plant something more each week. So we have now conclude what causes the burn to my peppers. So I don't remember exactly who, but one of you told me that it was because there were no leaves and peppers grow on the leaves. So because there were no leaves, that is why they got the burn. Remember when I stripped these pepper trees in recent times because of some sort of disease that I saw on the plant, on the leaves. So yes, I think that was a result of it. My beautiful garden family, thank you so much for letting me know. I was really wondering because I was like, why are they getting sunburn? I've never had that issue before, and I have been growing peppers for years in Portmore. So now I know, and that's the conclusion. I just want to take the time out to acknowledge all of you. Thank you so much for being a part of the GWS family, Gardening with Stacy family. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Big up to all my loyal supporters. Thank you so much. I sincerely appreciate you all. Enough blessings to you and your family. Thank you so much. The little cherry that was here getting bigger. No, I left this okra on the tree too long. Like, I remembered it yesterday and the day before, and I said, you know, when I finish, I'll go and get it. I was just going to get it off camera, and I didn't remember again, you know. Now it get tough. Now it's really tough. So, you know, if you're going to eat this, it's going to be so chewy and doesn't taste good. So I'm going to harvest it and just put it down, let it dry, so I can have that for seeds. Oh, this oxart. No, I had it in a bag, you know, and it was right here, right here. I had it in a bag, and I was saying I was going to leave it until, you know, I'm harvesting, just do one thing. Came out yesterday evening, guys. It fell off. Even though it was in the bag, I decided not to eat it. I don't know how long it fell off, and if any ants were able to crawl in the bag or anything. I didn't see anything, but what if they got in and got out before I realized? So I'm just going to save this for seeds. See, my little seedlings are coming up. Some of them showing no signs of germination. Some of these seeds I had so long ago. And so I'm just testing out all of my seeds to see what I have left, to see if I will get germination. Oh, these peppers are peppers that I save. These are sweet peppers or bell peppers. So these are store-bought yellow, red, orange. So I sowed some inside here. I don't see any orange coming up as yet, but I see red and I see yellow. So I hope I will get some. And the remainder of the rosemary, they are progressing. See, I have roots right there. So they're taking their little time, but I see progress. So that is good. Oh, and these containers that I have, I'm actually going to put lettuce inside there, and I may just let them stay on the table right there. So I have some lettuce right here that I need to transplant. These are iceberg lettuce, and I have some mixed lettuce. Gonna put them in the containers I showed you just now. I will let the pak choy stay because this will be easy access for where the pak choy is concerned. My little tiny banana tree is making progress. I would love to see that it produce, but let's see. So I'm going to stake this tomato first and ill it a little so it can get the support it needs before falling over or breaking or something. So let me just get this stick right here that I'm going to use. Have my knife. So I'm just healing it a little. Try not to go too close to the roots damage any of it, so I'm just getting some soil over. Soon I will be adding soil to the containers, but for now I am just doing this for now, just to give the roots a little bit more soil to work with. So that is a lot better right now. This is a broomstick that broke. Let's see. Can put it right here. Just tie it right here. Put one more, just one more. So well secure right now. Looks cutie. Looks very cute. See another one right here. Mulberry coming along. Guys, I don't even know if you saw me picking it. But I did pick it. And well, it's not as bad as the first ones. But as you can see, it was opening up as well. Let's take out the scissors. Alright, so I'm going to get the other tomatoes now. The cherry tomatoes are so pretty. Let me turn this down so nothing goes inside it. And just get this one as well, since it's beginning to ripen. Time to get the little tiny stems. Uh-oh. They are so cute. Super cute. There's another little one right here. And guess what, guys? I have another strawberry. Since I'm here, let me get these scotch bonnets right here first. Two of these here as well. These are so pretty. Big and nice. Look at these. So orange. Nice. Very nice. So I'm going to get this okra, but this will be for planting. This probably have another day or two, but I'm just going to get it. Should in case I get busy and forget to harvest it, it doesn't get tough like this one. There's a beetroot right here that I want to get. Look at it. It has been flourishing. I'm actually going to use this in a salad. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.